Lecture 7. Definition of audit. Auditing is a systematic process. A competent, independent person performs it. The auditor obtains and evaluates evidence to form an opinion and reports the same, following an identified set of standards. The audit helps the organisation to ensure effective operations, support its compliance with regulations, and confirm that the business is functioning well. Audit assures the protection of information assets. Audit assures the stakeholders regarding the financial, operational, and ethical well-being of an organisation.